That's 9mm, and the AR-15 is a 223.
All right. All right.
Hold that. I'm going to let you load it. Remember how to load it?
Yeah.
And then turn it. Use your palm, push back, and let go.
Yeah.
And then you're ready to fire.
Yes,
Remember
sir.
how to hold that.
Just like that, right?
Uh-huh. Oh, other way.
All right.
There you go. Right,
And then.
right. Oh, yeah. Okay, next time let it go hard. There, now it's locked.
Now it's locked.
Yeah.
All right.
Now, yeah, grip it around. That's right. Put your thumb there. Grip it all the way around. Hold onto it tight. Arms tight. Shoulders tight. Don't lock. Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Only this one lock.
No. Both of them be the same. You can lock both.
Like
right.
that.
Tuck your head down. Look straight down there to the red dot.
Yeah.
And then use the tip of your finger on the trigger.
This one.
Yep. That's it.
Is it good now?
Yeah.
All right. Where is it? No. Not
That's all right. Take your time.
Ah, there you go, the red one. I just saw the green only. All right.
Yeah, it hit.
That's
Just
far.
to the right. See it? Just to the right.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, almost hit the bullseye. Almost. Good. So your stance, bring your legs in a little, just for your shoulder, right? Just for your shoulder, not too wide. Little in more. Yeah.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Is that okay now?
Yeah.
And then
Yep.
like that.
Yep.
Oh my god, that's far. I try to other eye.
Okay. That was low.
That's low.
Yeah, I think maybe you're thinking about the pulling the trigger and you drop the weapon drop down. That's okay. It just takes practice.
Where's the red now? I can see the red.
You do or
There
don't?
you go.
You don't see it?
I see it now.
Okay. It's low.
It's low?
Yep. Bullseye.
Bullseye?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Look at that. Bullseye.
This is what we call bullseye. Thank you.
Pull the same way. Put one leg back. Right?
That's the one you give to Ryan.
Yeah. And then same thing. Now this one, the new way that you can hold it like this. This is kind of an older style,
Yeah,
but you can pull it into your shoulder this way.
yeah.
The new style that people use, they call it the C grip. They grip it on like a C around here, right? So you can do it either way. This one, I kind of like this. You can tuck your elbows in. So you shoot however you want. Either you try to hold it both ways and see which one you like. This one's a little harder. I like this one. All right. So, all right. So to load around, it's open right now.
Yeah,
Ryan's got this little trigger here.
yeah.
Down on this side, it looks like. It's on safe. We'll slide it to fire. And it's ready. You should probably stand on this side because it's going to eject the brass that way. Yeah, right. Put it on safe.
You got it all. How I wish I can do that.
You will. Just remember the trigger. This trigger's a little harder. You got to push it a little more. It's unsafe. When you're ready to fire, you switch this to fire. That's it. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's a small one. Downrange. You put it on safe. Now you want to go automatic?
Yes.
Yeah, you know how to do that, right? The trigger, you keep squeezing. Off and on, off and on, off and on. Don't let it go too high.
Yeah.
Keep it down. If it starts going high, take your finger off the trigger. Right, so I'll go first to show you. You can do it just short bursts. Now, make sure your hand is on the plastic because the barrel gets hot.
Oh.
Okay? It's unsafe.
Only one.
No, this is multiple, many times.
I need to like that?
Yes.
All right.
And when you want to stop shooting, you just stop pressing the trigger. It's unsafe.
All right. Here, right?
Yes.
I just keep on clicking,
You
right?
just-
Like that.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. Why it's blurred? I got it now.
Just do your finger faster, and it'll go faster.
Like
Yeah.
I'm scared. Got it?
Yep.
Oh my God. One more? There's more?
Sure. Yeah. Done.
Huh?
You're done. It's out. Excellent.
Woo!
See, so it started pushing you back. It'll do
Yeah.
that. That's why you lean forward.
Oh.
You lean forward, and you have this foot back. You lean forward, lean into it. So when it pushes you back, you're going straight up, not like that.
Yeah, that's what I forget. I forgot
That's
it.
okay. Takes practice.
Oh.
Yeah.
Scared.
There you go.
Got it?
Yep.